Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Guild Discord server or how to start a community on Discord, like a community Discord server. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is click the plus icon in Discord to create a new server and choose the template you would like to use. It is best to create a server from scratch or to use the template gaming or local community depending on what the server is about. You can go ahead and select for a club or a community from the next screen. This will set a few default community settings, such as requiring a verified email address to chat. Making a server for me and my friends is also an option. However, this type of server won't be publicly searchable. Next is to enter a name and upload an icon for the server. This will allow you to customize the brand of your server. You will have to use a static image to begin with, but eventually you'll be able to use animated icons and emojis as more people boost it. Next is to enable community features. Because you are starting a community server, you'll need to enable it to get certain perks like enhancement channels or discoverability. To do so, open server settings, select enable community, then choose get started and follow the wizard. Now, in addition to this, I'm going to show you how to set up roles. So, the first thing that you're going to do is to go to server settings. This is accessible by selecting the drop-down underneath the server title. Then click on roles. Here, you can add, manage, and delete roles. Next is to click on create role. This will create your first role. Enter the name of the role. This is how it will be displayed to all community members. Now, moderator roles and other roles for community trust should be colored and or displayed separately in the list of members. This will allow other users to find and contact them more quickly if needed. Next, decide whether everyone can mention the role. This is only useful for moderator and or group roles as it allows for them to be notified when there is an ongoing issue that needs to be fixed. Then you can also configure the permissions for the role. It may be best to start at the top and work your way down. There are numerous permissions that can allow the role to manage the Discord server, from deleting posts to kicking users to being the priority speaker and voice chat. Now, the next thing that I'm going to discuss is how to start channels. First is right-click on the sidebar and choose Create Category. Categories are a great way to organize channels and manage permissions. Now, by managing permissions for the category, it'll affect all channels in that category, except those that are not syncing with that category. So to do so, right-click, choose Edit Category, then choose Permissions. Managing permissions for categories is similar to managing role permissions. You can also try to select the plus icon in the left column to add a role to manage permissions with. To start creating channel, click on the plus icon under the appropriate category. This will open a dialog box prompting you for the type of channel. You can create a voice channel, text channel, or announcement channel, and you can make it private. Now, this will affect the specific channel. This will break permissions synced with a category. To do so, right-click, choose Edit Channel, then choose Permissions. Managing permissions for channels is similar to managing role permissions. You can go ahead and set Private Channel, which will make the channel in that category private and only visible to certain roles. Next to that is by creating a moderator-only channel. You can use the same process as above, but choose Private Channel. Upon creation, make sure that only your moderators can access the channel. Next is to create a rules channel. This channel is where you post the rules for your server. Make the channel read-only so that only your moderators can post to the channels. You can also try to create an AFK channel. This channel is where inactive voice participants will be moved to after some time. Once in the AFK channel, they will be unable to speak and must rejoin the appropriate voice channel. And lastly, you can assign the appropriate channels and community overview. This is in server settings. Select the rules or guidelines channel to the rules channel and community updates channels to your moderator only channel. And there you have it. You can also try to invite bots to your server, upload emojis, invite people, and such. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.